She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond girl.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another March Madness blend. This month I am dropping a new blend requested video every day for the month of March. This blend request is coming from Rakaya Cottrell. Rakaya requested to see the colors pink and black blended together, so that is what we're doing. And I do apologize if I am pronouncing your name incorrectly. Please forgive me. I honestly couldn't think of a name for this blend, so whatever name I do end up going with and putting in the title, if you guys can think of a better name, then I'll change it. So I guess the best name wins. Go ahead and leave the name suggestion for this blend in the comments, and let's just see what we get. For my newbies that don't know, make sure to continue to watch until the end so you can see what this blend looks like as a braid, as well as what it looks like as a twist. Okay, now if you're still watching and listening and you didn't skip ahead or anything like that, then you're for me and I'm for you and I love you. And for that, I have an announcement for you. So my blends will be available to purchase this Friday, March the 12th. So make sure to set your calendar reminder, set your alarms, whatever you need to do. If you've been waiting and if you've been looking, if you've been searching, look no further, wait no longer. Well, you still gotta wait till Friday, but you know what I mean. Like, mark your calendars, because Friday these blends will be up on my site for you guys to purchase. I am so excited. Now make sure to stay tuned, because I am putting another video out that will give more details. I'll be showing you guys the exact blends that will be going up and everything that you need to know. So now you guys know the date that these blends will be available to purchase will be Friday, this Friday the 12th. Now if y'all see anyone else in the comments saying, when can I purchase this, where can I purchase this, are you gonna sell this, y'all know they didn't listen all the way through. Let them know to watch the full video. No, but seriously, I know some of you guys have been waiting very patiently, and I'm happy to finally be able to give you guys a for sure date that you can go ahead and purchase these blends. And again, more details will be coming very, very shortly here within the next 1 or 2 days. So just give me some time here. Y'all know I gotta like doll myself up, get my face and my hair looking right so I can actually put my face on camera for y'all and then give y'all information on these blends. That's why y'all don't ever see my face, because I be looking bogus. I be looking straight bogus. So I'm gonna get myself right, and I'm gonna come on camera and I'm gonna talk about these blends for you guys to purchase. So anyways, let me allow you guys to enjoy a little bit left of this video, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow in my next blending video. As always, you guys be blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace. Bye.